How to turn on or off fundraisers and crises notifications on Facebook. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to turn on or off fundraisers notifications on your Facebook. It's so easy and quick, so let's start. First, then go to your Facebook app and then click on those three lines up there, and now click on the setting icon beside the search icon and scroll down. Click on notifications. Scroll down again until you find fundraisers and crises. And here you can turn on all the notifications of fundraisers and crises by click on allow notifications on Facebook. To turn off this option, or you can just click where you receive those notifications on SMS, emails, or push. So this is it guys, hope this video was helpful to you, and if you liked the video don't forget to subscribe and like.